Thank you,
Thank
Divya
you.
ji.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye bye.
Bye.
हाँ जल्दी लीजिए प्लीज। भाई पीछे तो भाई आपका सोलो है।
Done?
सुनता मैं किसी की नहीं, अपनी मर्जी से आऊँगा वहाँ पर। और बहुत अच्छा uh, I've had the great pleasure of acting in film Indian 2 with my dear friend and in my opinion India's best actor Kamal Hassan. Every role that Kamal Hassan plays with tremendous amount of ease, each part different from the other. He's also an actor who can do action scenes so well. He can do comedy so well. Look at Chachi Char Sobis. He can do, look at Sadma, the emotion scenes. Look at Sagar Sangam, you know. And also he can dance dance very well. वो कहता ताड़ा ताड़ा in so he's a Kamal Hassan is a wonderful actor and a dear friend. Director Shankar is one of the most passionate director who made this film Indian 2 with tremendous amount of passion. Producer Subhas Karan of Laika, he very aggressively goes out to make a film. Whatever is needed for the film, he's out there to get it. I had wonderful experience. In fact, this morning in the lobby, the conversation was about the song in Indian 2 that's picturized on me and the models. Huh? The actress. You're telling me, or I'm supposed to tell you? Okay. Uh, the actress flew from South Africa. She's Miss Universe. The models flew from different country, and the choreographer just left. The choreographer, he was mentioning in the morning in the lobby of the hotel to everyone के जो गुलशन जी ने उस गाने में लगे इतने sexy and इतना wonderful and all that in the song and the location is extraordinary. We shot Indian 2 that part in Bolivia. So, to me, to sum it up, working in Indian 2 with Kamal Hassan has been a great experience. Thank you.
Sir, if you have to define star, archetypically, currently use the definition of a superstar in current generation.
Current generation, past generation, future generation, गौर से देख बच्चे, बाकी कौन? पानी कम.
Let me ask you, do you like our music? That's what we want to hear. I mean, we've had some amazing times, 30 years of partnership, still going strong, and it's a blessing. And when we look back, I think we've created some, okay stuff. Yeah, good.
Are you planning to celebrate this 30 years milestone? And of course, how did you celebrate the Grammy win?
Law is going to do the Tauba Tauba step today.
And we're asking for an extension for another 30 years.
No, jokes apart, we are going to be singing some of our popular songs we've been composing for the last 30 years. So you can't avoid some no-brainers like, Dil Chahta Hai, Kal Ho Na Ho, Bunty Aur Bubbly, Rock On, Tare Zameen Par, and etc., etc., etc.
What song you want to dedicate to each of you? You want to sing for your friendship?
दिल चाहता है कभी ना बीते चमकीले दिन ओ दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन वरागन अधिकरवोरो ஒரே ஒரு பார்வை பார்த்தேன் புறாவே நில்லுன்னு சொன்னேன் கண்ணாவாய் ஓடி மறைஞ்சேன்
Thank you. अरे किधर अवार्ड करना चलो.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Like this is not the first, but it was so good.
Yeah.
Everybody's hyped up with it.
Yeah.
Is there pressure building?
No. Please remember that in 1979, which is 40 years back, 45 years back, I was nominated for an Oscar. There is no pressure on me. I have won many awards. The only pressure is the pressure of not becoming mediocre. That's the only pressure I face. Every time I work, I want to chase excellence. And the only pressure is that I should not fall into the hands of mediocrity and create something that I feel is mediocre, even if it's successful. Some of my films who've become big hits, and I won't name, I was not happy with those films. I won't name it. But what I'm trying to tell you, my joy does not come from success as you see it, but success whether I have achieved what I wanted to do or not. Is that good enough? Oh, with grace, there is no problem. क्या करूं? हो गया?
अरे नहीं,
You know, Chuka.
ऐसा मत बोलो यार, ऐसा मत बोलो. अब Pathan, you're doing it with me? Jump over. Okay. So, are you singing it for me? Huh? It's very simple. You just.
Only Shah Rukh can do it.
That's it. That's the reason why we received the award. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Thank you.
Yeah. South Indian? All. I love all the languages. My favorite director, there are a lot of directors. One of my favorite is Rajamouli. Yeah, Shankar sir, I've met her. Very, very favorite K.S. Ravindra Babuji. Thalapathy Vijay. Thalapathy Vijay ji. In Telugu language, I worked with most of my favorites. Chiranjeevi Garu, Pawan Kalyan Garu, Balakrishna Garu, my movies coming out in BK109. So maybe after that, the other favorites.
So we enjoyed watching you in Legend film. We love to see you in Muthamal film.
Very soon. Very soon.
Who are you wearing or wishing?
I'm wearing this Turkish designer called Food Sarkis. Yeah, from Turkey.
Urvashi, can we have a picture ki Jory likes you? Can we have a picture please?
Already 15 दिन हो गए. चलो. Okay, yeah, sure.
after party. I just want to go.